Hi, hello guys. Here I'm going to show you how to get a MasterCard or debit card or Visa card, just a virtual card. Dollar card, an example how to get your dollar card easily to make online payment, like to link with a PayPal account to buy product from Fiverr or whatever. So some card has been rejected for PayPal. You can't link to PayPal. So if you want to create a PayPal account, you need a card. So look, here is a cheaper cash. This card called cheaper cash. You can see I don't have much, but last. Look, all these transactions I was making last. Deposit 1,000, 1,000, deposit 14, deposit 5,000, 100 naira incoming, deposit 1,000 and above. So above here I will make withdraw to my card 1,000. Here deposit 8,000 coming. I make a lot of transaction with it. So an example, let me show you. I make a lot of transaction with it. And let me show you for here. This is the card. Can you get your point? As you can see, this is my Naira card. Naira card I don't have much. It's only 30 Naira in my Naira card. That is, and see here is a USD card here. And okay, I go here now. You see, in my dollar card, I have $1.91. I have $1.9. And because I use it truly, I use it. It's the one I'm going to show you my PayPal safe also, because it's the one I link through PayPal and make transaction with it. You see, I pay $10 to Google. You see, to Google something like that. By Google, I pay for by using the card. So this is my dollar card. If you want it to show, you will press here, show the card detail. But I don't want it to show my card because secretly. And this is my Naira card. This is my Naira card, also Visa, and dollar card also Visa. So do you understand very clear? So they are also the same. And this card also, if you can put it on freezer, something like that. Cancel freezer, because I think it's what's in freezer already. But this will go cancel freezer. Okay, all is still the same thing. You guys, let me show you my PayPal card that I link to my PayPal app. So this is my PayPal account as $1 for online payment, because Fiverr link with only PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, you cannot send money, you cannot. So okay, how many You see, this card I have been already linked to PayPal. Can you see? I have been linked this card to PayPal. Dollar card, I will link it, and Naira card also. See, activate. It has been activated here. You see, I have already buy a product $10 from a VIQ. That means I've already subscribed with VIQ from. So I have already linked my PayPal account. So I've already shown you guys. Thank you. Please, with the favorite, subscribe. Don't forget, even though you don't mash the subscribe button, press the like button. Do one of favorite for me. This cheaper cash, I'm going to show you how to create cheaper cash. It's very simple. Cheaper cash is very simple, brothers. And cheaper cash, oh, all this is my transaction that I make last time. Cheaper cash is very simple, and where to get your account number. If you want to add money, you can add it here by linking your card, or if you want to, I'm going to show you how exactly to transfer money into your Chipper Cash. So I will show you right now to transfer money into a Chipper Cash. If it's here, look, this is the account number. You need to copy it. This is your Chipper Cash account number. This is mine. Oh, so your own also will appear like this. Chipper Cash account number. The service you will search it is Nine Payment Service. You can make payment from any of bank. You see, cash out, add money. Okay. Here, so I'm going to show you how exactly to do that. Okay, you need to now go back. If it is dialing code, if it is dialing code you are using, let's see, this is dialing code. So let's go to transfer to order. That is 5, right? Let's go amount. Let me, for example, I want to just show you, I'm putting 100 naira only. So to show you guys, I'm putting the account number. That account number you copy to come here, then paste it and go 9. You need to go more. See, there is no 9 payment service here. I still go 11. There is no, here again, there is no more 9 payment service. I still go 11. You'll get it right now. Here again, see, 9 payment service is 10. This is 9 payment service 10, number 10. All right. So you will see something gonna appear. Enter your pin and take to confirm transfer. Okay, 100 naira to Chipper Cash. You see, Adam, sorry, to Chipper Cash. So I'm going to transfer 100 naira to Chipper Cash. As in, transfer. You see, yes, transfer successfully. Can you see? Transfer successfully. Do you want to save beneficiary? So you don't need. So you know that I have been transferred 100 naira into Chipper. So let me re-enter again. This is the app. And you guys, for you, though I invited you, so you try to use my invitation code, then you also get bonus and I also get bonus. Okay, maybe it was network. So let's go to the app. Let's try it with app because I've already copied. No, let's go to the app because I'm using that money like I've been enter. Let me check. Yes, it has been entered. You see, you can also receive it as a message, even though you are out of this thing. You see, Chipper Cash. Well, that is 111. You see, let's go to the app now. You can see where's the app. So yes, that money having at what he at yet. Yes, you see, as I've been refreshing my app. You see, when I've been refreshing my app, that money has been added to my wallet. Okay, let's go. If in an app I'm using, let me just say I'm using OPay. So if it is OPay, it's it in. Okay, that's I'm using OPay. So let me try transfer. It's still 100 naira. Let's see. Transfer. Okay, not OPay to bank. First of all, what you need to do, search for the app that is not Chipper Cash. If you're gonna search Chipper Cash, it won't appear. You understand that clear? If you want to search Chipper Cash, it won't appear. Just 9. You see, I just put 9. I want to write 9 payment service, but the bank has been appear 9 PSB. That is 9 payment service. This is the bank. So and put the 10-digit number. I've already copied the number, so this is the number. Yes, my name, Chipper Cash Adamu Swale. The name I've already verified. So if it is, let me just see 100 naira. So any 100 naira. So let me just say from just you don't need anything. Okay, you see transfer confirm your this thing. So yes, I have been sent successfully. because yes, and you see, let me go. Yes, has been they don't already deducted me. So let's see if I arrive or not. Arrive or not. Not now. Network is just network. It's just network. But it will arrive. Let me refresh again. Let me check message. No, 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 no. I didn't see it. And I think it's network. The phone was no. Why it is network? But just let's wait for under a second. Yes, it has arrived. The money has been deposited. The 200 naira has been DCC. I have already received alert and message. If you are using message, you're also going to receive a message and alert. You see, because I've already activated this my cheaper cash to receive it from message and from email and from the wallet also. So because if you are offline, you also receive alert as a bank, bring to your message or to your email. So it's very easy. That's why I love this app to using it. And I can make any payment. You see, there my balance was added. Before it was 11 naira. So and now I send 100 naira from GT to here, and I send 100 naira from Opay to here. So for you guys, I do this thing to show you guys, But if you want to send money, it's easy now. Cash out. You see, enter the amount. You want to send money, it's very easy. Send money is very easy. If you want to send money, it's very easy, bro. So it's very easy. And here you can also, you can also see they say trading or something like that. You can use it. And here, just confirm because I love this card. This card here is appearing and showing the benefits of it. Thank you guys. Please, you guys say, hey, let me show you my promo code, you guys. Please use my promo code. Don't forget. Mm, That is invite friends code. Girlfriend. This is my invitation code. Okay, on WhatsApp. So you guys, this is my invitation code. Please, you guys do this favor, right? You see, this app what I'm showing you here is working for many countries. So as you can see here, what they haven't said, join me on cheaper cash. It can, it an app that has saved me so many fees, sending money instantly to anyone in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, United States, and United Kingdom. We both get a reference bonus when you joined using my link. You see, so use my link, then we both, as you get, I get. So no darling, no darling. So this is my invitation code 965KI. 965KI is a big letters. 965KI. This is my invitation code. Please for you guys to use my invitation code. Thanks you guys. And I'm going to